Trump's crypto wallet versus CryptoWatch. The future of secure crypto management. Hey crypto fam, imagine this: Donald Trump launches his OWN crypto wallet, while a futuristic CryptoWatch with iris scanning wants to replace your hardware wallet. Which one wins, and why should you care? Let's break it down. No jargon, just pure crypto clarity. So, Trump's team is dropping the Trump wallet with Magic Eden. Here's why it matters. 1. Political crypto boom. Trump's pro-crypto stance could attract millions of his supporters to blockchain. Think MAGA Coin going viral. To free tokens alert. Early users get $1 million worth of Trump coins. Huge for meme traders. 3 risks. If it's just a hot wallet, hackers might target it. Yikes, asterisk. Now, meet CryptoWatch, the Iron Man suit for your crypto. Here's the magic. 1. Military-grade security. Your keys are locked in a CC EAL6 Plus chip. 2. Iris scanner. 240 plus unique eye features equals no more stolen passwords. 3. Air-gapped AF. Sign transactions offline via QR code. 0 internet, 0 risk. 4. Spend crypto IRL. Use Visa MasterCard with stable coins. Easy peasy. Trump wallet equals easy entry for noobs. CryptoWatch equals Fort Knox for whales. But guess what? They could work together. Scenario 1. Use Trump wallet for memes, but store big bucks in CryptoWatch. Scenario 2. CryptoWatch adds Trump coin support boom. Security plus hype combined. Warning. If Trump's wallet gets hacked, demand for hardware watches like this will skyrocket. Asterisk. Whether you're a crypto rookie or a Bitcoin OG, here's the takeaway. For safety nerds, CryptoWatch is your bulletproof vest. For Trump fans, his wallet equals fun, but maybe don't put life savings in it. Big picture, crypto is going mainstream with Polticos and ultra-secure tech leading the charge. Asterisk, so Team Trump wallet or Team CryptoWatch? Drop your pick in the comments and smash that LIKE button if you learned something today. Stay safe, stay crypto curious, and I'll see you in the future.